To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
One day at a time. Cause if me rich today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress lean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Cause rich today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions, millions. Got me gal on the billion. She a act so silly, silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take her side. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed, yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none, yam no pork. Goodbye, my grill. See you until me broke again.
Uncle! Like you're out of space, out of mind. What go on?
I'm just, I'm stressed out, man. No, what things are going on, man.
What's happening, man? Uncle, I know your man ever drink for your rum, you know. And you know rum is life, you know. Wake up there. You know no rum.
Well, I don't know, but the money done and, you know, like right now, I'm stressed out.
Uncle, free up yourself, man. Free up yourself, man. Free up yourself. Remember I said before I'll go on a mission, you know. I have to beat all the rash up around me. What you mean?
You're a good boy, man. You're a good boy, man.
If you tell me about the rum, I tell you, say, everything me I do, I have to beat rum.
Rum
Come
is
here, give
life.
me no beat rum, I have no energy. So how you feel dash the rum, uncle? What go on?
Yo, I say which day me last my card star. And I go a bank now and I tell me I can rubbish and sit now.
What kind of card? A
My
business card?
bank card, man. And then I go there and I forget a replacement and I tell me say no, say, no money in the bank. So then give me one thing and show me one picture cause when the bank card get take away, one picture just flash and take the person's face.
So somebody that spend money for your card?
Yo, boy, I don't know.
Oh, them uncle, oh.
See somebody here.
Oh. Me know this is somebody, man, you don't know him.
No.
Uncle, look on the picture good, man, you don't know him.
You look familiar, but you know.
This
you
is youth your ICC name. And this is youth your America man par. A fame friend.
America, I see America.
Yes,
You
brown
America?
girl in America.
Jesus Christ. A good things I see, boy. Where you come from? Rumbar you go?
From bar me I come from.
Say you got a bar now?
Me I go to one other bar because they want them to say them a lock down your shop right now because they say it come like rain I go forward. But me I tell them say rain or shine me out I rum bar. So one other one me I go now.
Alright, do what you do. We need to run for talk.
So now that me I tell you I have to drink I want to where you go now?
Me only come America and find out what go on. Cause you know, a long time I check and remember where she live.
I go to keep it on her field and score a goal.
It work, but you know.
You have to get a rum first. Man. Come on, let me go for a rum bar first. You have to drink a rum first. Are you
Go on,
me, you know?
no, go on, I get the money.
No, man, you can't trick me. Come on,
I get the money, man. I get the money.
No,
on,
me
man.
have money in my pocket.
No worry about that, man. Me want to more money. Come on, know what go on. You ask me a side. Go on, man. Yeah, I'm a nephew, man. Pick up with that.
Worry yourself, Funk.
Yeah. Hello. A long time to see me. And yeah, I know we live long time, but I never really want to come here. Because I understand, say, if you never invite me here, then I can say I come, right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
what you do?
Because I have a problem.
Go on back.
One back way. Me have problem.
So that affect me for your problem. Me and your problem solver. You're not supposed to come to me.
It's not a matter of problem solver. I have a problem which involves somebody what you connected to right now. You understand me? I say
How that affect me?
that affect you because I need to carry back my money. I need my money.
Excuse me?
You need my money. My card. Hey, listen to me. One day, I'm kind of intoxicated. And I'm supposed to drop off one money and rate it. And me figure out ATM machine and the card last. Somebody find my card and use my
I
card.
did not find a card and
Me not say-
why you come on my yard and feel like say if you can't tell me about this situation.
What do you mean why me come in here?
How this affect me?
You-
I did not find a card. Go back through me gate, sorry.
But you hear me I say to you?
Talk.
Your so-called boyfriend, see, film friend, obviously then catch him on camera because he put my card in the machine and then take it away. I need my money. Me don't want to go to police station or me just want to know if you just give me my card and give me my, no, you no can't give me my card, get card, take it away. And my money off my card me want. And step up from me because I really like police.
No, come look.
Come be- hey.
Let me show you something over there, sir. Come show you something.
Just
over there.
one.
You hear what you just said a while ago? My boyfriend, friend. How my boyfriend, friend matter to me?
Because you name out my money. What you pay for me is for? I want to pay to me. Yo, I go
Listen to me.
Alright.
I don't see that man 2 days now.
We just know.
My
Me
boyfriend-
not busy about that, but yeah, give me the number, give me the number,
Because
because
you see, the whole point is right here, so now, my boyfriend, I just what day me I tell him about you, say me and you did it, but it seems like
let me tell you
You
something
know what,
involved.
to me,
Me never involved. I scam you take my money. And you tell me say you want to do all these things and wait it. I'm get over it because I'm a man who me down.
if I get over
Like
there,
bring
come back here and
me
come
I tell him I need my money.
Go find the man who keep my yard.
Deliver the message.
I'm not
Eh?
a news carrier. You're not going to deliver.
Alright, listen to me. You think your answer was here? You know me go do my left answer, I go to police station.
How that affect me? Me not involved in it, so
You are an accomplice because you name what you know you name my money.
I don't eat any of their money, sir. No money not come here to me. Now you cannot hear what me and say. I see my boyfriend 2 years now. And if I want to hear do that man, but it seems like I'm living myself.
Your choice. Then
You
you pick.
understand?
You pick well, I may have said yes.
But if
Me
you
go
pick
in
up,
next
would I-
time.
would I put pick pit?
Pit. Eh?
Yeah.
Pit you say.
Yeah, pit.
Next time you come over that place and me alone and me have FBI, police, CIA, all them things there.
Tell them come.
Just know something tell them that.
Tell them
Get them come. Oh, you're not afraid?
I'm not afraid from now to now.
You're not sure?
I did not do anything. I don't think like that. I don't find a card. So what me afraid from? Me not nothing me on to hide. Always spend me over here that my man and man there. Yeah.
Remember me tell you.
Which him always a
Remember me
fan,
tell you,
fan.
me is a man of my word, here? This is the money them why me make that go on.
Calm
Come
down,
here, stand,
talk.
say,
Calm
you know,
down and
you know,
talk,
you
because
better-
you're just a stupid.
So, I mean I said yes, just do the right thing. Call your man
Me not
and
talk
tell him
about
say,
it.
me want my money. As simple as that. You get what me I say?
Me not hear.
Alright.
You come through the ears and go through the other one. Cross.
You can go on. Take no chatting business. Anything no chatting business?
Okay. You can rest down yard.
restaurant here.
What's this story from here? Come on, come from here.
I go on.
What you go other day? What kind of mission are your friend go back?
Where you talk?
Because
Where
all
you
we know
talk?
is in the FBI come here to pay out, you know.
What?
That's all we know. So if any money when you your friend go keep other day, you need to bring it back.
Money.
Because any money when you keep other day, that's the money you keep.
Money.
I mean, never know say Rasta know me live until today. Nobody feel like say me a Rasta no.
Oi, me not thief
So
Rasta
when
money.
you
What
gonna
day?
get money? Oh, me not get. I'm gonna get no money.
Me I try share some me no get no money. First thing, I feel me bridging me and ISIS there road. I bring up every time tell us me and my friend outside and me and him.
Oh, so I keep the money and you my bra.
Yeah, right.
So you
And I read that I come around for access to me. What Rasta do me yard?
Me I tell you Rasta do here.
Watch out, it makes sense to cut you know. It makes sense to cut you know. It makes sense to cut you know. Fuck your things and cut. We don't want you here. We don't want you to move. Fuck your things and cut.
It seems like something wrong with your brain. It's come like you're mad. And your last 2 of your school when time your friend got thief. Because like all the teaching and killing and get to your brain.
You don't fuck your things.
No, when me I go, I don't like say me guilty. Me guilty? Did I do something wrong? Eh? Me not go now here, sorry.
Yo. Pack your things on left. Pack your things on left. Me no want you no more. No more. Lift up.
So what me do?
What you Rasta me yard do?
I don't me bring me and him come here. Me not even know say Rasta no say I have something to live. You know,
Yeah,
this
watch
so.
out man. We no want left and right and come back and see him. You know where Rasta you find him. Bad man.
A joke here, man.
Right now, more all the reason there now. You can right now be a foolish go on in you.
What kind of reason, so? But when you come to me so aggressive, what am I here, brother?
Dog, you know
Bad
no
man.
say. Listen me now, man. You know say.
I just get up out of bed, dog. Why is it going?
You know say. Dip on the road and say me I go pull up and feel me black now. And for me say me I go pull up on my black. You know say. You know Rasta.
You trust her?
You junkin boy, man. Junkin Rasta boy. Over me yard. Me a go on him. No, him a go on me a forward. Tell me now. Me woman turn up round a house side with phone. I go say, we fi care back the man money. But me know deep in my mind, hard say. I check the woman, you know. Cause one time me want look rumors say them they in their date. I check her about it and she a say I scam used to scam him on one bag of
Me a check in and me girl a check out to that, man. Hey, careful.
Brother.
But me say, which money who fi give back who money? You want Rasta money?
me.
Mm.
You can't do your fine. Listen me now, man. You can't do your fine. Rasta say see it on video in the machine. Can you go check out it and say see it me and you on video.
Hello, me and you see.
Then I want to see.
You want somebody to fear for me? Hello, me and you
Oh,
see.
one day if you know say.
Nah, where's the really? Talk to me.
One day if you know say you had take things a joke like a joke me come here saying that with you.
But I must joke here, make.
No, me feel in a joke with them.
So they must joke
me
here,
feel in a joke with them. Bad man. The man forward and he had to chat about money with thief and one bag of something. And
So you
I
thief
want to
money?
feel like no, you're mad to me thief money if you do. Just watch out now. If you can't get back your money, you just get it back. Watch out now, cause right now.
Get it back for away.
Listen me. Me him say man walk and I look for you.
Get it back for away.
You say man walk and I look for you too.
Walk around for you. Like you look, you know me live?
You
You know me back
No, if you know where you live.
Me tell me I tell you. Me
If you know where you live.
Cause it's time I come in. Make you go look for me nice time. You go look for me start blowing me. Melissa deal them. You may say still. You may say to you, my brother. If I don't know me live, just keep it that way. And the next thing to follow. Oh, you say, he see it on camera. But that means me pull over the head here and say, I couldn't make out my face.
Who
That's
couldn't
still,
make out your face?
that's still not sound right, brother.
They start put some look of camera up on it.
You see, you get me now, youth.
Who get you now?
You see, you get me now, youth.
First place, let me ask you one question. Now you forward on the base. What do you call link me and I tell me say you find card. So how I mean make you in a this situation?
You're a cyber brain now, you know. You see, there's a camera up sitting. You know that? You know them sitting there. And bring me that brother and I come like a mad man.
You know long we not go down the place of you.
That's the talk, you shoot and talk one, you know all.
I don't know all, no if you know all.
What the hell is your drink? You forget to hear me say. You know what the hell is your drink up so? Listen to me. Listen to me. Go find some money too.
You all tell me about Storm and Forward and so forth. But I know right now, two many business about this and Storm and me. Only thing I can tell you about it, you see Storm where that the Rasta there stir up in and go so easy. Because Rasta come in a film yard and I go like you want to disrespect.
Bad man.
Brother,
Bad man.
when the Rasta you know say me I'm going for me that time when you start disrespect me. I no want nobody have your road for chat say me I go kill man over woman certain way. And that's why I leave a push a certain way, you know, but watch out, I'm in my yard, he come violate me now, you know. So anything you can get, you must feel us holy. Because right now, man, crab up right now, you know, man. Right now, I'm not chatting with no boy on the road, you know, I go feel me now, anyway, and I find him, you know.
I'll be a foolish shit, tell me about that.
If you tell about
Then I try to, we feel pre-violence now. That remember, you have to go find some money, you know. Because if you man, sleep on camera for 3, you know. Then you can't go to station.
Watch out now. You better know, say. This before you link you.
Link me.
You mean then you know
Link me. You know normally. And you know go find out. Come, me now come on roadside. This is start.
But I'm sure you have heard.
Start. Hey, listen now. Me walk in my house. Me gonna tell. Me dey go walk in. Me na lighter. And me lighter. Me na buy none.
Nah, my friend. Watch out now.
Me a go use this stove. Watch on the stove. Me stay home. Them man see me now.
You're not making see you. Ring your bird. Watch out now. It's just was here. Or spot him or see him and then bird. Watch out see. You know? Look on.
Unavailable. So where's she there? I'm gonna call her one more time. But I'm gonna see Jessica today, you know. So when could I do? I'll share this on my phone. I'm gonna call my sister. Hello. What? Well, they kind of stressed out, you know. Yeah, me here boy Storm, but it's Storm my Lisa my problem right now, you know, sister. Well, me and him not alright, you know. I call for tell us say. Well, then listen me have to say, sister. I call her for tell her say right now me have to go come back home because something good on and the man put me out, you know. So me I go come up here and then go back for my stuff then. What do you mean by that? No. Who gave that the right to rent out my room? Hmm? No, but you never asked me no permission for rent my room. So how comes you take up yourself go rent my room? No, remember saying no when time grandfather did a pass off, you know, and say, oh, it's a for me and you know. So how comes you take up it and feel your big brain say you rent out my room? That no have no if me go live with man. And my choice, me a big woman. Kara, listen to me, Kara. You see, me tell her say, me not turn my man yard, you know, because me not like problem. Me a come on me yard. You see, anybody you rent the room there, tell them so they need to come out because the owner come back feed. Or there's a problem in the yard there. You hear? Nice. I don't mind if you say a joke me a make. Me must say America my name. You hear? I put down certain lifestyle. I change. Kara, me I guarantee tomorrow morning because me not have nowhere else to go. More than to come back to my yard. There's nowhere else like home. You are your man. When make that the decision there, you try and make it. That's all me I tell you. As Scott take off in jazz a man in me I reach the day. You want storm, alright, storm, rain, shine, anything. Me a come there, win anything. If you want blow me away, but me a come and me other morning. Come on from my phone. The girl I'm mad, you know. I feel like something wrong with him, you know. But wait. Me there so argue with my sister. The dirty ISIS me figure look for we start this a problem here. And they put up.
Come on here, sir. How that?
Good evening.
Evening. How me can help you?
Are you ISIS sister? No?
Yeah.
Oh. But me know you and you don't know me. Anyway, where's ISIS?
ISIS is not here. You realize that they call ISIS and you know answer me, answer ISIS and they here.
So you know which part me can find him? Because it's a emergency.
No, me know we can find our emergency, but
Anyway, like how you and my sister, I'm sure no sign of hide nothing Friday. Yeah, the past 2 days, you know where ISIS have been? Like, you know when do like, alright, this morning me the home, our Rasta drunken man come to me and said to me, say, then see ISIS for camera, I using card a machine, take out the man money and in do away with it. So what me I try to say here is your brother got thief,
hey.
your brother is a thief.
No. Hello, let me tell you something. You know, come here so can use the word the thief, right? That's so because we not thief. You see how we are live? You see how we are live?
Alright, Timber
My brother not thief. What you mean by me brother? Take man card and take our money outside. What are you talking about?
What do you want to talking about?
Huh?
You know, see your brother spend, your brother broke, your brother not have no money.
Oh, you know some
And
brother
by the
broke.
way, because your brother my man par. So if my man and your brother in a hot fire right now. So if I mean like you need to tell your brother to care back if people their money or else FBI will come in here for
Or else what? So who cares about FBI?
Me
We
never say you
are
care
FBI ourselves. Who care about
I
FBI?
don't care where you and your brother
So
want
what
to
is
do
the
or
problem?
say.
My brother, let me tell you something.
Your problem is your brother need to care back if people their
Let
money.
me tell you something. Me don't know why you take yourself coming to me here. Cause right now I'm going to tell yourself to dismiss yourself. Cause me don't know why you come here, sir. If you can't tell me, some where you get them the
that means
news
that-
from. I lie on what tell upon brother. I don't want to hear
tell
nothing.
for your brother.
I lie on what tell upon
that
him.
means
I want to know what look like money. I want to know what look like money. My brother not thief.
Money. People then come to me and say then they look for your brother. So if they
So
ever
what
find
is the
your brother
problem
from
now?
the
Him
like
not
you,
there. So what problem? Take it to the Lord. Him not there here.
To the Lord.
Yes, what the problem now?
No worry yourself, you know.
What is the
Can't say me never
problem?
come warn you and make you know what one with your brother. So if I like you, call him on the phone and find
Call who? He come like a man you want, girl. He come like a my brother you want. You see, uno me know say uno girl no love people man, you know, no love people man. Yeah. Uno love people man, no love man.
Did I come here
Uno
and
a
ask you
take
for
man
your
from the idea no new, no just love
No,
man
me
so.
did come here and ask you for your man.
So what you mean by you want my
If
brother
me want
number
a
and you
brother-
done tell me
Me never
something
tell you say me
already?
want a brother number.
Why
Me
you
ask
done
you
tell
for
me
your
something
brother,
already?
And me ask you say, when me can find a brother? 2 questions.
I'm
me ask
some
you.
don't know, take it to the Lord. Ask the Lord or go in the middle of the road and say, God, when they? Because I don't know when they.
You see people
Me don't know where
uno
they.
love the people name when I uno have the name I carry pound.
Girl, you
But
never
no,
hear
you
about
said
me
desire.
yet. You don't know
Okay.
about me. Me a
No,
gold
but-
digger. Me a junk crow. Me a everything in a one. You never hear about me.
Let me tell you something.
First
Somebody
flock
do
together.
work before
Girl,
we
first
get
flock
about-
together. Go on where you go. Yesterday, so for you talking, you make no
Me and
sense
no
to me
friends,
right
your brother
now.
have to fly, can't flock
Yeah, and me and my brother flock together. Go and go take
Yeah,
it to
you
the
are
street
not
now.
thief.
Yes, like you're a dirty man.
Me?
Like a
Like
dirty
you,
man.
man and your brother are thief.
Like a dirty
Gianna,
man. Your man a what? What you say your man a what? Your man and my
It's
brother a
alright.
friend? How he look?
Have
How
a
your
nice-
man look in bald or in rasta? With my which one? Are my white or black? Which
have a
one?
nice day.
Which one?
Have a
Cause
nice
if my rasta, I'm an imposter just like you. Where? Come back to my yard. Nonsense. Rubbish. You can't believe, eh? You can't believe this little dirty foot girl coming to me yard and come tell me some brother thief. I can't believe that. Go on, your business. Go call a boy. Yeah. I sis, you see if you make me spit and the dry and reach out, watch me and you come, you say if you come now. And I ask me what, come over here now. Rubbish. So long they call a little red king boy, I know him can't reach. So I have to wonder if
So no reach, brother.
sometimes I have to wonder if
Me tell you, me say,
I
do
can't
anything,
talk about that. Sometimes I have to wonder if we have the same mother
Why
and
free now?
same father.
Mama. But
I sis, come here. Come no want nobody hear me. Please.
Come.
Come here now.
I know I'm talking to my mission.
Like just put your ears to near now. Put your ears to near. Boy, make your son thief. Eh? What make us a thief? Who you fi gang and take?
Oh, you still like,
People kill.
wait,
Oh, you fi
stop,
gang and
full
take
stop.
people
Wait, man,
kill.
wait, thief. We call thief. Better that, man.
I know me call a thief. I know me call a thief. I won't neighbor would have to say you're a thief because guess what now? You gotta take the man card and take off the way you call it there. The money off for your card and use it and go on like say you make money when a thief, you thief. You know me need to load it up because once you're a thief, them will say me a thief too.
Brother. Hey, who? You don't thief nothing. And you should be ashamed of yourself, Tina. You can't believe people. And I come like you want to calm me down with them. You the giant them, you say whole neighborhood, you the giant whole
You
neighborhood.
say I eat that.
Against a brother.
I run out together to me and then tell her who come here.
Oh, well, sorry, my apologies. My name
We
is
run out together and chase together and
Who?
one girl, he having so rasta looking braid or something. And she thick and he must be there with your friend.
Suit.
She there with your friend, must be your friend or something. You want maga boy, I don't know if I know the maga boy. Or the rasta we want call, one rasta some.
We'll never hide your way tags.
Let me tell you what boy name. Holby.
Boy, man.
Yes, me are here.
Why come
You know,
here?
you never talk about what they say. I go with some friend.
What is my question?
So you're thief. You're thief off the money.
I say, boy,
The man card. You're thief off the money and for the man card. And go floss with it.
Listen to me. Me never thief now. What classify as thief? What you classify as thief? Tell me.
So if I take the car and use it and I pay it and I pay
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. No, I'm come burst some money now. I'm buy cash card. But you come like say the true God see tell me I wrong, none of them I buy and me never did go win. But put a car in my way. If me can hold a five. Sister remember saying that I'm jaggy for you know. I wanna go I say what go buy anything and Bruk out I think.
I see so make it so. I see. You know me go see your work list. You know me go see your work list. You have your money today and buy a man in it done.
No, I feel like I'm going to cash back, but cash back, you want to know, different still.
Reach to the Bruk tomorrow, I saw you do it. What's much 2 grand? You realize that I eat me nice, clean here just I do me here. You realize that my money invest in me here just I know.
A different thing you tell me. Boy, me tell the boy.
It's same card, me got thief money up. Go to the card.
Brother, I'm not telling you.
Worthless.
So now you got thief now. I said that I got thief now.
No, me I said if you got finish thief.
Yeah, go on.
Me I said if you got finish thief because you know how me know say me have a little slight idea say is I'm thief it's true. Let me tell you. No, let me tell you why me a burn out against you too. Because let me tell you something, me back here you know. But just see when me alone, me will burn you out and class and do what if me see a road me defend you in my yard me defend you. But let me tell you something, no me a burn out against you now. Remember when you have money for money you know what you do with it. You're tight with it. The only drink and smoke was the night. But when I give me a little money, I could give me here say girl want come check it. That's why girl have a bar. Jessica want come check you. I'm here say your bobby shop money for her.
No, me not give no money, but you know, he's serious. Me have money. Me don't know where he is. Me have money for so. Just give me a pill and bounce him. Give me a bounce as in the evening. You know you go.
I see. FBI don't come here. Police I go come here. I see when they come here, they go tell them say me no know nobody name so. I mean police, I go come here because the girl say FBI.
Who?
Yeah. I go come here because the girl say if somebody where taking money from, I go carry police up here. And when they come here, they just touch over 2 foot and my animal say search. Nah, not my phone. Search. I mean, I don't know who them are.
I don't know them neither. Machine take back the card.
Machine take back the card, yes. Where the money there?
You spend on my party, man, money. I'm going to give them. I'm going to go there.
So when you go down, you bring me down to a place and I'm going to drink out the money.
Listen to me. When you ask for me, you don't see me. Simple as that. Me will call you, you don't call me. And so anytime I call you go hear me say one little code first before me start talk. And see if people ready there, you just tell me say you're busy, you can't talk.
I see. Take out the money out of the bag. Take the money out of the black bag there. Disappear from here and come back after 1-2 months or one week or something. No 1 week. 1 month or 2 months. Just take the money and just go on. Because from mommy and daddy gone, just turn one piece of disgrace for me like say if you take care right. Everything what you do, me must take care right.
I can't get jackpot, man. I can't get jackpot, man.
Give me back.
So, man, you go and so now, you're not time for going there, but wait, what happened?
Take out 5,000 and don't come back.
5,000 alone? Could have take out one more 5,000 then?
That's why they say no. That's why they say. Boy, look at they will get something what they don't want. Yeah. You take out what you want to take out. Take out what you want to take out. Alright. You check the bag.
Yeah, man, check before me get put down. I'm going to chat to my teeth. Check your money.
I see. I told you to take out.
Come on, listen, man. This is there. You want to care about these things, sir? Go on to 10,000 and care that.
I see. Alright.
child set me up and I try to grow the thing in the youth.
So you chat to them, see to them bad for show, man. Like you don't go for show.
Be
You
a
don't go
things,
for show.
yo.
And fear woman come to my sister, tell my sister about
My
Rasta
woman.
man business.
My
What fear
woman.
woman? What fear woman that call
My
different
woman.
other man business for?
But man, me tell the girl if left me a long
I
time,
go to
you know.
you go mention thing to your
Me tell the girl
woman.
if left me a
And make your
long
woman
time, you know,
go
because I'm a man.
inform anything and
Oi.
man style about
I know my
camera.
woman, brother, me tell her
About
this,
camera.
anything you want to do, she can do. Anything she want to say, she can say. No, me
I
no
wouldn't try
business,
to
I'm
stop
no
man and try to
response.
use
Watch out,
mind
man.
game for man if you look at you.
Youth. Yo, watch out right now, me then if an argument you want with me right now, me no the
Are you come big start big argument, you know,
But
just
man,
one bag of thing, because thing get serious.
things that, yo,
Thing get serious because people come to my sister, tell my sister about how me a thief and bag of things, so how people are coming if you say me a thief. That means you walk and chat to me, daddy.
Say me a walk and a chat say.
Brother,
Me a walk and a chat say.
yo.
Me a walk and a chat say.
But anyway, sir, this is not come,
Me a walk and a chat say.
I said, don't put the bar, me want to go change from the library.
No, I don't want to go for no bar with the night.
I tell man, you mentioned man, I just chop at 10,000, brother.
You say, you chop 10,000.
And we can't over drink, brother. You just pray be a violence and be a foolish. That you want to tell me?
Let me see.
See what? Yeah, forward.
You see, you chop 10,000.
Somebody have a drink, brother.
Right now, more everything, you know.
What?
No, but the 10,000 we are talking about.
But when I see a deal friend them you.
Right now, we have to hold on the youth. Alright, that's right.
The rest of the girl like
I
that.
tell
Watch
you
it.
about
The rest.
Rasta and
No,
girl.
listen, the rest. So is it you me a talk to? Me a watch you know. When you start sleep out your body a draw down. How this all? Hey, how am I calling for? Yo! Yo! Me there, what one?
Ask your favor, answer, cause I think I get all that.
No, you hear what me say, no, my brother. Me need one call, my brother. One girl a come in here, Melissa, and I mean I really have no favor to give you right now. Anybody else, but no you, you know. But me I go hear what you say, Skid. What you say?
This is style of wiki, because I know say style I talk about. Money style, this. You understand? Calling me, please.
Call.
Yes, assist me, man.
Calling who?
Me.
You come like you hear me I tell you so the last time I alone me here, brother. Me done with you because you not change your look dirty life.
Alright, me stop drinking.
What do you mean you top drink? You much bar me go clear for bills them for you.
Yeah, but calling me. You're calling me, man.
What? Yo. Me a come. Yo, me a come check you for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, you know.
Just how it takes.
And if a fool you shut up on me, I go about my business, you know. Because I don't have time for you, you know.
I'm very foolish, man. Man.
Alright. Yo, I was how much people have good brother. I was brother me having my family brother. The man don't want to change look dirty life. You see, I go down there and I foolish. I just come back to my yard, you know.
God created the earth and not man. Eh? If you have a problem with alcohol, you want to turn water into wine. You want to do that, you know? Let's drink to the hard-working people. I want the next bottle. Under my teeth. Over my gum. Watch out belly rum a come. So I don't feel like.
Yo,
What, man?
just hurry up and talk. I'm in a whole time, you know.
Because Melissa coming up. I'm going to go over bridge go get one girl to come when Melissa coming up. So just hurry up and chat me have all day. You know. Should even come down here in the first place. What you say now?
You tell this man. Yo, we are brother, you know, man. We are brother. Blood brother. Same blood run through the vein. The vein, yeah? I see him run through the vein. You understand me? I say, so I'm not saying, yeah, come say, Melissa Star, I come, I want this, I want that.
So you just know say me here, brother. You never know that for a long time.
Alright.
For all like foolish, you never know.
Alright, you know you know which day you can link me?
Who if you can link you?
No, me say, if you remember the day when you can link me.
Yeah, me remember I me can link you, I tell you something now come back down here. I don't know why Father God touched me and me dance if you go on back down there.
I am a brother. Alright. Yo, you know say my bank card miss up. And I go down my bank to get one new card. And it's like when we get the card and I wanna draw money, you realize say no money on the card. And you say to myself,
So what you tell me that for?
this is my story, no man. And the story I truth. So I'm going now if you go ask people and walk on, how my money there. Eh? Them I tell to me say, if me don't know say drop, I say me don't drop the money. One thing, I'm explaining to them say, the reason why I'm going to do the damn card and get a replacement is because the card miss up. And them a show me that transaction, people go a club, people this, like, you know, swipe money and I be a swipe. Swipe on me 555,060 cents. Eh? And everything gone. And me say to you man say, but how this can sort out and wait. He say better me go to police station and give me one statement. And then long and short, them go show me one thing now and say, the last time he was a yasser. You understand?
Use way.
It can't use because them say it can't get taken away and if the violation thing come up and picture take
Hold on there.
out in a machine
Hold on there.
Eh.
You're sure you don't use half money you don't remember?
This is why me not do this on the back side there man we keep you listen to alright, let me see you can. Me not use it. Me not read advice at me brother. You understand me? I say really and truly when me call it for me need some money and now for borrow. Because we can't go through. See this time I come brother, me have to go buy some stuff. Me have to go buy some stuff.
No, hold on there. Eh? Hold on there. Because when me not go to school, you know, me never sit down in front of the class, you know. And me never sit down in the middle, you know. Me sit down at black of the class. But me still don't have look send. Where you say look while?
Me say me want to stack up.
So what you have to do with me?
You say me and my brother, me go thief. You want to go thief? Me say the thief and me check the youth, you know. Because me here go on and see picture, me identify the guy and rate it. And he might tell me say, he nah, give me money in a truck badness for my rate it. I want to hold mix a long story short, me I could tell.
So what you tell me say? You find the youth to take out your card and draw your money.
Yeah.
So why you not report it and make the police deal with it? Because to be honest, you know, I
police.
swear to God, to be honest, when you stress me out, me have to pay money and run bar and take care of your problem. Me rather you get locked up if you go thief and me come bail, you know. Because at least me know say the 2 weeks or the 3 months where you go in there and go drink no rum, you know.
When me drink, no man, listen to me, I say, you cannot afford a brother to go to jail. Your reputation mash up. Are your bloodline with cross up, you don't want that.
Yo, let me tell you something. I mean, I tell you the honest truth. Me not have no money for you, you know. Because right now, you see me give you money, me know the problem when me and put yourself. Put me and put yourself, you know.
You know, work hard for my money. Eh? You don't work hard for my money? Oh,
Lord Jesus Christ. Hey!
I want to be shot. Oh.
Jesus Christ. Me know that you can't trick me, you know.
I'm not trick your brother. I really need the money.
Look there.
Want to it?
At 63 you drink, you know.
Yeah, but a long time back, I was back that is empty.
Hey, me knows, hey. Me don't know why Father God send me down here, you know. Me not have no money for you. Me say me not have no money. Go and go team make me like come here, because me not give no money, you know. Me feel like you call me down and me have a good relationship and me have to change things as a brother and we live good. And you top drink. Look there. Eh? You drink Kingston 63. Jesus Christ, you. Me gone in my yard. Me now come back down here.
Brother, I see them, man. Back, brother. I'm going to go there. I think drink rum for the start. Rum is a must.
Who that?
I mean,
And you tell us something now you back on the place. How
when I come to you now,
how you come here for them?
when I come to you now, argument there, the just come here to get the things when
The things them.
yeah, the things when.
But most of we India me buy you. So I mean decide mine if more you forward or more you cut. But what you know?
I don't understand the statement, then when you understand.
Say, go on and give me space. That me say, go on. No one clear my brain. Cause I realize beyond the Rasta boy there, you know, he come like say yo, a team up and a try spread me name in a look Popo Ganzi or whatever I want to call. What you know man?
Team up. Listen to me. If
Brother,
man send soon upon
he
severe
see we
camera,
on severe camera.
I draw out him money. I only know.
What you know,
Me
man?
never did it. Remember, some no
No, you never did
and
it.
then
But
you
yeah, chat, and I
together.
grow, and I tell. Cause friend Bridget link me and I make me know say, you know, yeah, I go to his sister and I tell him say, him a thief, you know. And then something, you know, grieve me, cause what I mean, go come back to say, I am me in a relationship and one bag. Make you know still, you know, say, they let you go already, you know.
Listen
make
to
you
me.
know, you know.
Yesterday, I got ISIS yard to find out what really going on because I don't understand what situation,
Yard.
right? And when I go there, I see his sister. So I start telling sister what really happened. Then his sister cuss me and run me out her yard. Listen to me. Me not really care about him cussing or anything. I want to know what really going because it affect my relationship right now. Because it put me in a one space where me stop the things, but it seems like I want me to do things.
Here. But
Yes,
but what I know me I go feel certain way when you do things. You not go feel it.
Yeah, you feel a way.
But what
That's
you
why
know,
put
me show you a
because
pray.
you feel
Me
a
show
way.
you a pray. You see you on the Rasta, you can go back to the Rasta, tell him say me say him better not make me see him. Cause what you know man, in this me come to my own place and I try this me now. I'm not depend that right now. I'm not depend with you nor him, you know.
Rasta man not come to this year. You only come here. Are you matter of fact, are you come?
Me come to you,
And when he come here,
the way come to me for.
and he start telling me what happened.
Yeah man, it makes sense and him go and look and watch the man. You see me now, you see me the thief off of my own, me no follow back up. So what I never say, me a thief, me and my friend a thief, or my friend a thief. They say show me your friend and me tell you who you are. Like you call me thief.
Yeah,
but watch the man. Yeah, my friend a thief. My friend a thief.
Show me your friend and me tell you who you
we
are.
a
And
thief.
there's a brother from
Don't get me wrong.
together.
Don't
Yeah,
get
your
me
friend are the same thing. It was
Listen,
not
don't get
thief.
me wrong.
I don't do fear and
Don't
the
get me wrong. Me a
matter of
thief.
fact, you know,
Me
see
know
me
that.
farm. Me can't tell them about
Alright,
that.
take your time going back where you come
But me
from.
nah know if you go.
Alright, what you know? No, me do alone. No, me do alone.
Listen to me, more going out.
So no.
Because rain will come down and more going out. Go.
But I know my fault. I know my fault. Alright, want to shut the right out this so you can go under the shed.
Alright, me and you.
No, me and you. Me never tell us. No, you can't tell me if you up me door for you go here.
What you mean? Me can't tell you that.
No, you can't tell me that. Me go back.
Me say open the door. Hey, not because you have going. Me say you have to fire now. Me know you have to fire. You not have to fire now. So I'm not afraid of you.
So you
Open
try
the
this.
door.
This you try this.
Yeah, we not having me this year, but we not having me calm myself.
Let's see how go on now.
They are trying to so they can do. But when I say, oh, you understand? You don't back up and prepare for already?
Oh, me understand. Alright, my friend. Right now, me just say, me do me hair and sitting and locking. You understand?
Girl, you know, it's easy non-style. Your sister come here do ear and a pretty up. Apart the other?
What do you? You know, you waste time name. Melissa, more of your hotter Melissa. What do you? Eh? You never hear about me yet? Me lock up my shop, girl, and I go on easy. Because when the storm come, me look good, me look titivating and look alright. You understand? Yeah, me and you are the same thing.
But girl, you're me a big. I thought me a big you. You know the little shop where me have run a mango can around it, so you can't come go spend 1-2 hours around the next and
Jessica,
Yeah.
Me just tell her say, me lock up my shop, right? And me buy up my goods, then me buy up me like my food stuff and then sitting there. And lock in. Right? I know. So how much you want me to stay around my shop?
Just 2 hours, girl. Remember say you don't sit in theater for everything. I cannot do that, you know. Cause me I go look some food. And some food I want to run go look to come back, girl.
Alright. I want the reason me I do it for you. And I show me who you want favor. And I know say in return me I go want back one from you. So you know friends for you understand? Yeah, so me can't cause you have a business to deal with. But what you say just couple hours, 2, 3
Just 2 hours, man. Just 2 hours. But that means I'm supposed to need more than that. So, remember, you know, right about now, that I really not the money, you know. Really not the money, but because them say we take this thing serious, I want them 2 bottles of water, 2 tin mackerel, pound of flour, and probably 1 pound of rice or something to put them in the house. That when the hunger start bite, and me can't come over here, you have to go and get nothing to eat. Me can't have something in my house to cook, girl.
and you know say you're not easy. You're not easy, you know, because you hear say, Melissa come all along. And you wait till this time if you go get 2 little mackerel, 2 little this. You love mackerel to your favorite. Me have to tell you the truth. You love mackerel too much, man, Jessica, man. If you buy chicken and eggs sitting there too.
Girl,
Life not done for you, so.
Hold on there. Then in this Melissa family where you said just a come. Which fridge are going to freeze meat and all of them stuff? What better than tin mackerel? You can go on. It's alright. I love tin mackerel. Me continue to eat tin mackerel, girl. It's what we can afford me buy.
Alright, as me say, me done bat up your house already and everything, so me not worry about Melissa, me not worry about the storm there. You understand? What am I gonna do it for you here?
Me love, run come, cause me dey wait for you.
Eh?
Yeah,
Girl,
man,
just go on and let the place now, girl. Go on, just show up the door or something. Let you win them up in. Go on, go do what you do. Me I come now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come here.
Alright.
Hello. Oh. At first, me I see you running. How you doing? Thing good? So, what is your name? Alright, just serve me one white rum special, please. Stamp. Them say half of the stamp is a calm. You want to hear something?
So you want me cash out?
I'm not shouting.
Why you shouting?
I just always talk strong, that's all.
You not have to talk so.
But why you say that?
You're frightening me.
So you want to talk to you like this?
What I want, sir?
So you want to talk to you like this, man?
What I want? White rum, JB, Campari, Brandy, Beehive, what I want?
You see the funniest part about it? The first thing I said was, I want a white rum special.
Yeah, come never hear it, because you just distract me.
So why you give me that attitude for?
I never hear you.
Hmm?
And the white rum done.
Give me
Take
the,
something else. I want the JB.
yeah, give me the just give me the JB. Goodness. And time sitting there, man.
That is the problem. That is the problem. We are 2 different persons.
So what you so pretty and so miserable? Oh, a prettiness come and miserable?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes. Worse when you walk with something good. You never know.
Alright, everything good. You never know. If you want me to know, you can know, you know. Yeah, you know. So what is your name? My name is
My name is Pinky. And your name
No, it's like I was just looking at the facts here about giving me enough. Boom. Like thing. So I just say it to you because, you know. I think you have a little
What
bit.
else you need, sir?
I think you have a little bit long, but it's alright. We take a drink.
400.
I tell you this. You see, when you go to a restaurant and you sit down and eat food, as they give you food, so you get them money. Eh?
Hey, listen to me, big man.
You stop.
It's not the I want you to see in a shop.
No, I see a pretty girl.
Okay.
I like a lash them.
So when you come in a shop, what was the sign that you see?
I don't see no sign. Life is one big world without a sign. I don't see no sign.
We don't trust. Okay. So once you buy something, you put on the money right away.
You see, the purpose of a rum bar, I don't understand if you understand that. It's to come release the problem and release the stress, you know? I tell you, say, I go through some things, my friend. Pretty face like you, you're not gonna really know people, like these kind of people, them are watching the kids with me. I go through one thing, I say, I lose some weight, but you love money, not true. I know you like money, a pretty girl always love money, Like I shot, me lose $560 out of my account.
What?
500,560 Jamaican dollars to my account in a one day. Whoops, gone. Can you imagine? One day. And you see, I don't know why I feel comfortable to talk to you, but you have a good energy, a good spirit. I love you.
So me have some question.
Yeah.
You go to the bank.
Yeah, of course, I'm going to the bank. Tell me. Yeah, because I lost my card. And, I realized I lost my card. I go to the bank. And the bank tell me, say, me fi actually, get a statement. Me get a statement. And, the only thing really if you go to police, I'm afraid of me not like police. Because last time I go to police and, talk to me and I stammer. And then feel that I get him attitude and they lock me up. And I said to myself, why would I want to do that to a man where,
No, but you need to make one statement. Because let me tell you something, you know? My pretty woman have sense. Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
You see, drinking rum only take away a problem today. You see, tomorrow?
Drink again, take away a problem again tomorrow. That's
See, tomorrow,
yeah.
the problem come back right by you, and you just drink again, and drink and drink and drink. Rum don't help situations like that.
So what
you understand?
So what help situation like that? Pretty girl like you?
Like yes, you lose 500,000, right? 65 Jamaican dollars, right? 60 Jamaican dollars, right? You feel like you rum help you?
Of course.
Like you lose so much money and you drink rum for ease your mind, yes. But what about when the rum done and you get sober?
When you get sober?
When you get sober, you start thinking about it. Huh?
I get sober for?
You know what rum do to people?
Make you sleep and relax the damn self. That's all I can tell you.
No, it make people go like a damn idiot.
So me go like a damn idiot?
You understand? And it make them stagger.
Alright, so
and it make them talk one bag of things.
So
because me not judge if you can't tell me your business now. But you soon walk out there so go tell the whole neighborhood now say
this a boy
have your money because of the rum. So the rum make you talk.
Listen to me, man. I just feel comfortable to talk to you. I'm here. It's like, you see the person who thief my money. I know them, you know? I see them face. Because the whole thing set away with.
So who is this person that robbed?
I wish me know the name yet. I don't know the name, man.
You know the person
I see the person I run by. I want to go, but everything good. I leave it to Jah. When Jah hold him, I feel problem that. But me as a still. Enough for that, man. So what
me here enough already. Come money now, pay for your rum.
Alright, that's you may do. The girl I was there, she was writing on my name and thing. Okay, don't disrespect the rum on me.
No, me not disrespect you, me not disrespect you. What you mean by and a girl who the bar then I so no,
Off your
and
place.
me. And me there so.
Off your place.
Hello.
You know me?
That's why people come
You
and
know me?
work for
You
them.
don't know me, man.
They not
Stop.
trust. Where you get that from?
I
So
feel
you have to
your
go
place,
tell
is
me, I don't business.
What you mean, sir?
I don't give a flying shit. Pay your money. Dirty Rasta man, pay your money.
What you call it, Rasta man?
Pay the money.
Eh? I should be to
Fly by day, pitch by night. Pay the money.
Fly
Give me
by
the
which
money. Give me the money.
Relax, man. I just 3 sip me take out that cup anyway. So you can hold that. Me soon forward, man. Relax yourself.
Don't tell Juki Rasta
Write
face,
my
man.
name in that book. Write down my
Right
name in
down
that
the
book.
So go on out and get back your money. You get back your rest of rum. Who you?
Give me
Come
rum.
on.
Give me rum. You spoil the vibes, you know.
You're not getting no rum.
I woman like you make
Go on
rum
for the
bar.
money and come back for the rest of the rum.
I woman like you make rum bar and come like a wrong thing, you know.
Oi, come like a wrong thing.
Right.
Now what you doing now, man? Where you find the best? You see them back there, you see them back there, they will not miss your face. Come on, shoot.
See? So give me about 25, 35.
Yeah, about 25 minutes,
Get that.
25.
But hear me, I say, try. Don't touch my rum.
Try not touch your
Rum.
rum.
5, man. I'm a gentleman.
Now come back and you see what me to your rum.
What do you mean something rum?
Go on.
It's not a good bar.
And now come back at the girl at bar and because I don't know what kind of cross is this a follow me. What kind of destruction this. Destruction and cross is a follow me.
Wait, Jessica shop.
What are they? Isis. I see the things now.
Wait, Jessica shop.
No, ask me that. Me they ask you a question. I saw you do things now. Where are they?
So when I come get a drink though. I should go get a drink and should go.
No, listen.
I don't pack up my things in my mind.
Listen.
Turn on the man. We come here so far.
Isis.
Turn on.
Isis. Give me back my money.
Which money? Me not have the money.
Isis. You see, me give 5,000 with a willing heart as a sister, you know, and you take one next 5 penny. You see, you take the next 5 penny, I want back everything.
I believe you have that money there right now, but one friend I try to kill me for that money, the things they give me. Like, come on, can you give me that willing heart?
You see,
Man, stick me up with that money there. You either call demons back your money from me. You give me money if you live up. And you want to take your something for the tananga. Being a man that's relaxed, man, just walk on yourself and get to a half a dog.
Give which half a dog, dirty boy. Eh? Give which half a dog. You have money? You have money to buy people them rum?
What Jessica?
Jessica not there. You say you live a life. Look how you live a life. You don't see how you live a life.
How man live my life?
Eh?
How man live my life?
You live a life worthless and workless and everything in a one.
Judge, God, me tell you, if you tap listen to people, you know, brother, can you fire and some people start part, me see a change, you know. Me see a switch up and me lick by lick, you know. Where you get them attack
I don't
from?
switch me and switch
tell
up
you,
on
say,
you.
the money you give me pull around a yard, my bag pack up, me just come to have a jail to go on my journey. And you did me already.
I don't switch me and switch up on you.
Judge, you.
Me just tired of the little shenanigan style, little refugee style we have, boy. Me just
Man,
tired of
you
it.
don't know whose time
Me tired of your style.
I have to make man anywhere, anyhow, but you know, nothing funny in that time, you know.
Which money you make, Isis? What money when you make? Which money you make? Let me tell you something, you know.
Man, yeah, give me everything.
Let me tell you something, you're not getting no rum. And listen to what me I say, one man come here a while ago tell me problems.
Which man?
Say,
If you going to tell me about man,
I
man.
tell
Don't
me,
about
say,
woman.
listen
Don't
up.
about woman.
I tell me, say, somebody thief your money and find card. Rub up some money for him. So, I wonder, what are they? I want Rasta man.
We understand.
You thief money from?
Me not thief no money from no. Me tell you say come have a blood this time. Me not tell you say a card me find somewhere. Me not tell you say me like walk on roadside and find a card put on a roadside. Me don't know who card belongs to.
Isis, I'm going to tell you something. You know.
But you
You see,
know that blood this time.
mommy and daddy did there.
And you see
You
thing
could
though.
go on, so, but
You
let
see
me tell you
thing though.
something.
Wait, which one go share? You see they go on now. Whether they are really drink anything and I go and see the skin of teeth doing the puff craving me and you the skin But now
You see
through money
2,000
done,
me lend you?
me live my life.
No,
What
you see 2,000 me lend you?
Which 2,000?
You see 2,000 me lend you when you come back from me tell me say you get dream. And you see money you have in my house, you as a thief. And my money is worth me drink out back out of room them where you buy night. Yes. You never see how me look. You never see how me put on me hair and me
Regardless, your gym down. You got anything good down.
Yeah, but me drink back out my money is worth.
Yeah,
So what you say now? You can't take up yourself and remove one or Friday so because you're not getting a rum. Come on, and people them shop before me call out thief for you. Go on, come on. Go on.
You got chameleon, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Snake.
Yeah, me love you, but
Yo.
me love you, but
Yo,
listen.
me
Me love you, but
me know you love me.
but
Me
not
don't want to
today,
feel.
not
Me
today.
don't want to feel.
You need to come out that place. I remember more
Wrap
of me
it up,
10,000.
wrap it up and throw it away.
Yeah, remember some more of me 10,000.
Yo, what is this? Let me see me at TV. You think me mark your face? Eh? Let me see me mark your face.
What's wrong with the bad man?
Let me see something wrong with me. What you talking about?
Want my face, boy? What want you? Want you?
I'm money. Eh?
You give me money?
What you mean say me give you money?
Me no business transaction. Me no money transaction, bad man. I'm like here born coke here.
Me a bun coke.
Say wrong with your head.
Me a bun coke. What you say?
Wham.
Let me say what happen. I'm a money, me. Where my money the boss?
You sure say me I look for?
What you mean say me sure say me
You
look
sure
for?
say me I look for?
No, you use me card, man.
Come like you're sick in the rasta boy. Which
Me sick in
card?
my head. Me
Which
sick in my
card?
head.
Come like you're a madman.
Me sick in my head.
You come like you're sick. You see
Me sick in my head.
But I need a medicine. You see a cokehead.
You know, see me.
Pinky!
Yo. Pinky can be a man. I'm one shot.
You know, say something me have to let off the Pinky do.
Let off.
Or like a package me have to let off.
Can't let off with me, man. I'm say stand man.
No, the people didn't say me to let off it to Pinky. They never say me to let off it to
Watch
you.
it, man. Watch it. Me understand that. Me see it's a serious business. And ISIS me. I'm sure I can trust
Me
me.
know
Look
say
for me.
ISIS your name and a
I
Pinky
trust
your
her.
name.
Me know. But think I'm a big sister. I'm going to play business. Look, I'm left me as a trust. Me left me as a member and I think this is the same thing for me.
Boy,
A same preparation that we're going to stay and wait till it's done.
so when me a carry, you say if Pinky no get this here, me a go in a deep trouble, you know.
When I
That's
for
why
yourself.
funny they say Pinky, they never say Pinky, brother.
No, but I understand the situation.
But
I
sure it's a
understand
good
the
hand.
situation. Look on them. Good hand. You put on your lighter. Good hand.
Alright.
No work in the work. You cannot waste your time.
Me a work with the ass to me, you know.
Listen to what you
I
say.
work with the ass to me, you see me?
Oh, because
That's what Pinky get it for real. Where such things around I bought you.
Peak in the beard. No too long left me right there, so. So me know say now done for an hour and a half.
Alright.
Right.
Me say, see right there, so? Look. Pinky.
Alright, look.
Alright. So make sure you know say a puppy than let's see I say, you see me?
Alright. Let's hear it. Pop it down.
Alright.
Oh, are you name sir?
Yeah, man, I'm in the so.
Let's hear it, man. Big up yourself, man.
Alright.
Let's
Alright, big
hear
up
it.
yourself. Then buy no Pinky to get the packet there.
Watch what you said, man.
Do
Don't
respect
lock
and
up the
manage,
package,
man. Beg you.
Look off on, man. Oh, watch what you said.
Alright.
Good day, sir, man.
What kind of package this? Rich again?
To
One day at a
subscribe.
time.
To subscribe yet.
Cause if me rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress lean. Shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me, I go come millions. Got me gal on the billion. She a act so silly. So me Africa Shelly. Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. Yesterday I'm broke, tomorrow I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed, yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat. Still none yam no pork. Goodbye mackerel, see you until me broke again.